Hello. Okay, we're back again, and now we've taken the old one off the car, and it looks like this. And other than the fact that it was leaking oil and shit, I don't even know how, but it was. So anyway, get rid of that one. We're gonna put this one in. Okay. And I think I gotta get the torque specs too on this bitch, but we'll figure tight it. But anyway, there's the brand new one right there. And we're just gonna put it in where the old one went. So no big thing. I gotta climb back under here again. So here we go. Now, okay, so let's see. Oh God, my necklace. All right, so let's see what we got here now. Okay, so we're gonna go right. Okay, and then I also gotta put my oil filter back on again. But anyway, it didn't seem to leak at all, so I guess I really didn't fucking need. Oh my God, need that after all. Okay, so where's my part now? Okay, now where did it go? Oh, I see it. All right, so I gotta put it right in there. And then that thing right there, I'm kind of concerned about this because that looks pretty fucked up. So we'll see what happens though, but anyway,